Hello guys, welcome back to Medical. Thank you for connecting with me again. In this YouTube session I get the new video. That means the own Optimum Nutrition produces the triple S 625 milligram of capsules that is mainly uses for Optimum Nutrition's triple S tetraris capsules for the men disorders problems and energetic and vigor and stamina and stimulus friends. These types of energetic benefits are available in this Optimum Nutrition. That means that triple S tetraris are available in this nutrition Optimum Nutrition produced medication friends. These types of capsules so mainly benefits the users and overview or it's maximum the strength and test the booster and increases the free total testosterone and alpha test and engineered to deliver the most powerful testosterone and cortisol ratio and enhance the training performance friends. It mainly supports the vigor and stamina and men health and also prevents the problem of libido. Nowadays the men are suffering from the libido problems because of they not taking the proper healthy food. For that problem is they are causing the libido problems, and their problem is also the masturbation problems also caused by the libido. So we can easily invade by using this by taking the daily one capsule twice a day. 100% will clear these types of problems, and erectile dysfunction problems also can easily invade by using these friends, because Optimum Nutrition is the world largest pharmaceuticals for the supplements and medications. So availability, if you don't mind, you will get anywhere in the world friends. I have also given the description link also, there itself you can get this friends. And it also increases the semen count and prevent the motility issue and premature ejaculation friends. The premature ejaculation is the main problems, which is the discomfortness of intercourse, and also prevent the permanently cures the night falls and wet rains. These types of problems can easily invade by using this and all the friends, the main users and supplements of this Optimum Nutrition, that is the triple S tetraris medicine friends. And it also increases the penile elongation problems. That means some women having the smaller penile, that also can easily elongate by using these friends. This and all friends, next we will discuss with you what is the ingredients and supplement facts so available in this medication. That means the ingredients and supplement facts are available in this medication. So the main supplements, it is the 100% crude drug. It is not adulterated, no artificial colors added, and no gluten and no flavors, and so no soybean oil. It is the Gokshura, we said in Hindi, and we can say in English that triple S tetraris, it is a 100% natural and pure. It is made up of not adulterated drug. It is a crude drug friends. This is the ingredients and supplement facts. Description has been finished. Next we'll go to the how to use. If you don't mind, if you're worrying about where we need to get this medication, means you will get in Amazon itself. There itself you will buy friends. I have given the description link. If you click the description link, means you will go to the Amazon. There itself having the discounted price itself friends, you will get the medication at your doorsteps friends. And next we'll discuss how we need to take this medication. We need to take direction to use this medication, means if you are worrying about that, means I have given this also. That means we need to take this medication one capsule twice a day. Already I discussed, again I'm going to discuss with you, one capsules twice a day after food. After food we need to take only friends, because it is a capsule form, so we no need to get the acidic problems. For that only we are all doctors are recommending that this is Ayurvedic medicine and Ayush product friends. Natural herb is made of natural herbs, no need to worry the side effects. It is 100% natural friends. This and all friends, thank you for watching my channel. Keep supporting us. I will come back with another video. Keep subscribe my channel friends and click the all notifications for day-to-day updates. Thank you friends.